Hey everybody, this is Claire. I'm Jerry. We're going to be taking out the rods off of the crank for the H5 case that we got from Reno.
Tired.
And yeah, Claire's tired.
What temperature is it?
It's like 95 degrees out here. So you already know how to use one of these. You've used this before.
Why are you doing this?
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put on this one.
Freaking thing.
Okay. Now,
how do you do this again? I forgot.
You're going to actually kind of be closer to my side. You want to,
Ow! I smacked my foot into this.
Yeah, be careful. No, just get it so it's loose, but don't actually take it out. It will. Push. Oh. There you go. Okay, stop. There. That's yeah. 2 turns is fine. Okay. Now we're going to do the other side. We're not actually taking it off yet because we'll be doing it on the table.
So what's the point of listening in here? Because
you can't. They're so tight that you cannot do that. Okay, let me try this.
That ain't gonna work.
Okay. It's loose. Okay, so I'm gonna get the other one. So maybe it helps if you get on this side and you put your foot on here.
Well, why don't you tell me to go on this side?
Sorry. And then kind of hold it like this, and then just push. Okay. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and we need to pick this whole thing up and take it into the house.
I don't want to do that. See that Satan doesn't wear like leather gloves. Satan wears whatever these are. You go to hell.
Nitrile.
If you go down to hell, you'll see Satan sitting there wearing these.
On this piece of paper, you're going to write down in different sections 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the H5 in like parentheses.
What the heck is that supposed to mean?
This comes from an H5 case. This is going to differentiate between the other ones we've already taken apart. So
like where?
Large number 1.
That is a 1.
No, large number 1.
That is a 1.
Like this, and go H5. That's how big those need to be.
That's how you write a freaking 5? What is wrong? Who taught you how to write?
Okay, just do it. Them up into squares that will fit in here.
Why does it smell like freaking barbecue?
Well, it's got WD-40 on it that's probably baking in the sun. So now this is the same crank that you helped take off the rust with the wire wheel. Remember that?
For me.
Yeah, good for you. And get those organized. Yep. Okay.
Quality cutting skills. Best cutting skills.
Doesn't matter. Okay. So what we're going to do is...
Now do I freaking untake them?
Okay, but we're going to do it in order. This is actually, even though this is weird, this is actually number 3. This goes...
How do you tell?
The reason why I know is because of where they are on the crank. This is number 1, or this is number 3. This is number 1. This is number 4. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, this is how this would go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay?
You're gonna smack the freaking table.
Okay, go ahead. And so we're gonna do number 3 first.
With this?
You don't. I think you can probably use it with your hands. Probably loosen up. Oh, we need paper towels.
Why so greasy?
Because they need to be.
Why?
They need to have lots
Why don't we just wire wheel it after taking these off?
We will. But
Where do I put
just
this
go over
in?
here. Put there.
How do I get the thing?
It doesn't. I'll show you. Then I have to do the other side. This is where we need a little bitty hammer.
What am I supposed to do?
I'll show you. This takes a while getting.
Well, you're taking a long time.
Okay.
There's a cat.
Okay. You're gonna pull up on this using this hammer. You're gonna tap on those.
Why does the hammer look like Spider-Man?
I don't know, but that's what it is. Okay. That's how you do that. And then what you want to do is you take this. No, that isn't. Yeah, that comes out later. But focus on this part first. You want to wipe it down.
And
Yeah. Yes. Okay. And then put that aside, and then take this part off. Like going like this, and then pull me down.
I can take it off myself.
Okay.
You don't need to freaking.
But wipe everything down as good as you can.
What do I do with this?
Wipe it down.
What do I do with it?
You're gonna put it into the bag. That's why we did that.
The texture of this is disgusting.
What?
Of this whole situation.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you don't like the gloves, and you don't like the paper towels, and the grease. Well, you're gonna be helping putting all this back together whenever we get them. So.
You're in the way, cat.
Okay. So.
There's the thing. What is this?
Okay, what do you do? Okay.
You're gonna put the 3 in first, or last?
I asked for a hand. So put everything into the bag. This has to kind of stretch a little bit because it's not quite big enough. Put this in here. Put the number 3 in here. And then seal it.
Why does it matter which number it is? Are they all the same?
No.
Which way do you turn this? Because both ways are making it not want to.
This way. It just is really tough. So this is going to be number 2. No, number 1. This is number 1. Okay. I was going to mix up. I wish it was like in order, but it's not. Kitty. The reason why these are here in case that gets too
This is
tight.
not moving at all.
Okay. If it's still not, then you can still use this. I'm gonna let you do the wrenching. So, yeah, we're working on the mechanical aspects of the car for the summer. We gotta get this, try to rebuild the engine. We're going to look at the brakes and all other kind of stuff. I'm going to go back up to Sam's and do some stuff. Also need to try testing out the electrical. I need to buy or borrow a battery to do that. That might come later. Really? Okay. You're not able to twist it now with your hand?
There we go, but it wasn't before.
Yeah, I know.
I tried multiple times.
Now you can try just lifting up if you can to pop it out, but you usually have to. Well, gently.
No, I'm gonna beat it again.
You might still, while you're at the same time pulling it, do that.
This thing. I can freaking hammer it myself. Thank you very much.
Okay, wipe it down. Actually, that in report. That's called a bearing, and
I am aware.
I don't know that this was okay. Now, this isn't actually too bad. It's got some it's got some wear, but you don't see any of the brass coming through. So this is actually a sign this has probably been rebuilt before. You also want to wipe down the journals. These are
I'll get those.
It's called a journal.
Well, good for it.
It channels the grease and the oil to go, so it lubricates it, so it constantly turns. So yep.
I know I would die, but it's very tempting to lick this.
Go ahead and do it on film.
No, I would die. That's how you die.
Okay, good. You put these in there.
It's number 1 for it.
Yep,
What you want to lick?
She wants to lick
This.
that. Oh my gosh.
What is you are
She said it smelled like barbecue. This does not smell like barbecue. This smells like very
oil.
oil.
That's what barbecue smells like.
Other way. This part down. It's a little easier to. It's got a yeah.
Throw butt in there.
Okay. And here's number 1. You got both of the bolts in there?
Actually, one of them. Where's the other one? Oh, yeah, they're both in there.
Okay.
You can close it.
Oh, you want me to close it for you? Okay. Now this is going to be number 4. So I haven't really made Claire do much with me on the taking the engine apart, but she's going to help put everything back together. This was so rusty, and then we had to use a wire wheel to get a lot of the flash rust off. And I sprayed it down with some WD-40 to keep it from rusting again. Do what you're supposed to do to bare metal. Do some sort of protection. And I think it was really good. Get all of that. Over here too. That's,
I will.
okay.
Have freaking patience. I
I
will.
was helping. I can't help. That's right. She does not like me helping her with this stuff.
No, I am doing it.
It's heavy. Okay, and I will open the door for you.
I'm wearing a white shirt.
Oh, I'll
Put it down.
Put it down. I'll do it.
Look at the kitty. Smells like bacon.
Now that's back in place. Okay. So, what'd you think? Was that pretty cool? Yeah, like I said, we're gonna have her put together this engine whenever we get it rebuilt, get it
So
machined.
freaking bright.
I know. So more later. Thanks for watching. Keep on commenting. Let us know what you think about this whole process. Have a great day.